Hello, this is my presentation about my home studio. Currently, it's only on the... Alright, this is my home studio. The main purpose of it is to record vocals and mixing and mastering the tracks. The tech that I do use for this, I use my MacBook, and then I also use my iPad mini. On my MacBook, I end up using Ableton Live 9, the Suite version. And then when I'm on my iPad, which is very rare on occasions, I end up using GarageBand. For the control components I use the interface, the Focusrite Scarlett Solo, which is right here. And then I also use the Akai DrumPad MIDI controller, which is the MPD 218 version, which is pictured there. And I also use the Alesis Piano MIDI controller, the V25 version. And they all help me create a very unique style when I do create my music. My instrumentals are mainly based off of these main two components down here, which really do help me a lot when recording and creating channels. My playback components, I don't have any good speakers at the moment. I only use my headphones, which are here, which are the Shure headphones with an open back. And then I also use my laptop speakers, which are pictured there. Alright, so looking forward to the future, because I am only using a small space. I'm in my dorm on my desk trying to create as much possible, but I have very little room. So here are the measurements for a future room that I hope to obtain. So it's a 20 by 20 room, and the sweet spot is at 7.6 feet. And I would like to have a nice little recording booth in the studio as well, and it would be 8 by 6. And the little blue lines you see here would be how I would treat the room. So these are part of like these little, they're mini square acoustic padding. And same thing for out here, I would use a bigger rectangular set of acoustic padding. And then here I would have a speaker here, and a speaker here, and a subwoofer over here in front. And in this area is where I would have the desk at. Also, for room treatment and future upgrades, I would want to use the Prima Acoustic London Tin Room Kit, which I found on Guitar Center, which is what I have depicted here. So I was already like using what I found, like an idea, and tried to draw it in. So it comes with 12 square acoustic padding, so which I would have 3 of them here and then the rest of the 9 here. And it also came with 8 larger rectangular paddings, which I would have placed here, 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 there, behind the speakers, and on the other side of the wall. And then I would want 2 of the KRK Rocket powered 8 Generation 3 Power Studio monitor, which is this one down here. And I would want 2 of them placed here and here to create a better like playback sound, because what I'm using right now can only take me so far, and I would like to get an idea of what the sound I'm creating really sounds like, and for future artists that I'm working with will help them get an idea of what is going on as well. And then I would also use a KRK 12 studio subwoofer with 120 volts, which I would want the subwoofer placed right in front here, like where I would want the desk at. And then I want to have a microphone, and I decided while looking through Guitar Center's like online, going through all the microphones, I felt like this one would be the best. It's a Neumann U87 AI Shock Mount Set Z. As you can see, it's pictured up here. And it has the microphone, and it comes with a stand for it, and then the little padding over the mic, and then the cable as well. And I would want to put that right inside the vocal recording booth, so that way the artist gets a really good microphone, which will pick up on a great sound for them. And that is all about my home studio. Most of it is looking forward to the future because I have a very little setup, and I hope to get something that will aid me in creating a better studio for myself and a better studio for future projects and future musicians who come in to work with me. The end result is the goal, and now I will work to go forward with it.